For hormonal headaches, what I would recommend is seed cycling. So seed cycling is a wonderful food-based, really strong therapy you can do where essentially seeds have different type of substances like lignans that help interact and help the organs create better hormone patterns or remove excess hormone from the system. Essentially what you do is you split your cycle into two parts. Starting from day 1 of your cycle is always the first day that you are bleeding until the end of the cycle from when you start bleeding. But in general, you're thinking about this, like usually in Chinese medicine, we say, give your period a couple days, like while you're bleeding, the energy's going down. Don't do things that you don't really need to do, kind of a thing. So we split it in general from first day to day 14, which is approximately ovulation. This is the part where your body is building up more lining. So this is the follicular phase because it's building up the egg in preparation. So it's building up cozy little house. Estrogen is like the ushy gushy kind of hormone. And so what you do during this phase is you use the seeds of flaxseed and pumpkin seed because of their combination. They support more estrogen production because they've got some lignans, they've got some zinc, and they also can help clear out excess estrogen, which usually makes us feel crappy. So in general, you're gonna just take 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. I just kind of like sprinkle it over food. And what you can do is you can grind up a bunch of it because you're gonna use it for 14 days. And I would say keep it in the freezer because seeds, because they have oils in them, especially flax, tends to go rancid really quickly. So then from day 14 to until you're bleeding, so generally 28, 30, 32, however long your cycle is the luteal phase of your cycle. This is when probably pregnancy hasn't happened. So the body's like, hey, don't need all this lining. Let's move it out with the progesterone, kind of a thing. From that day, you're going to switch and you start doing the 2 S's, sunflower and sesame. So sesame has a lot of zinc in it. Sunflower seeds have some vitamin E in it. So they're helping with the progesterone production. And same thing, you're going to grind a bunch up, you're going to put on your food. So in general, this practice alone of seed cycling can be super, super helpful. All of those things can really be helped by helping the body just give it a little boost and a little bit of just a little signal by doing these seeds before, after, start the cycle again. And it's not hard to do. I just recently had someone who was having headaches and sleep issues, and she just started this and was like, oh, wow, I feel really much better. So I would say for headaches that are happening with hormonal changes, seed cycling is one of the #1 best things to do. Thanks so much for all the ways our paths come together, and we are complete.